You've gotten a first look at some Flutter widgets. It turns out that in Flutter, almost everything is a widget. Well, maybe not almost everything, but certainly the elements that you add to your user interface, like text, buttons, and images. And the screens themselves are widgets, like you saw in the last episode with the game page stateful widget. Widgets are also used for setting the layout of other widgets on the screen, and adding spacing and padding between widgets. You're going to hear the word widget a lot in this course, so get ready. By using widgets, you're able to set up your user interface in what's called a declarative way, using code like that shown here. You declare that your user interface consists of widgets with this nested structure, and Flutter draws these widgets on the screen at runtime. You end up with a lot of nesting in your code, which shows up as a lot of closing parentheses and brackets. By always appending a comma to the widget, VS Code will automatically format your code in a nice way. We'll see that even more when we get to Flutter coding demos. Another way to think about the widget nesting is in terms of a widget tree. The nesting of widgets forms a hierarchical tree-like structure that Flutter renders to the screen. Some widgets, like scaffold, center, and padding, are used to lay out widgets. Other widgets, like prompt, control, and score, are custom widgets that contain other widgets. And some, like text and the Hit Me button, are actual screen elements that a user can view and potentially interact with. And finally, two of the most important widgets are stateless and stateful widgets, which you'll use to create custom widgets of your own. Now, before we get back to your Flutter project, a quick diversion into the land of object-oriented programming.